Welcome back to the Fiverr Masterclass. This is a very important section, and of course, it is Dev Getting Paid section. When I just got started on Fiverr itself, this is the most confusing out of every kind of section there was to learn about. I made jobs, I got paid, and I couldn't figure out what was going on here. How do I actually get the money that I made on Fiverr? First off, let me show you a few interesting things here. This thing over here, right on the upper right side, this is the amount of money that you currently have in your account balance. So this is the amount of money that you have. This doesn't mean this is the exact amount that you already received on Fiverr itself. In fact, you can accumulate here as much money as you want until you decide to get this money paid in your bank account. Or if you want, you can even spend it. Fiverr really likes if you spend this money back on Fiverr itself, but that's not what I want to do. I want this money right in my bank account. So to do this, it's very simple. All you have to do is to go to this menu right here and press on selling. When you press on selling, you go to revenues. And here, not only it's going to show you all the money that you earned so far on Fiverr, you can also withdraw it. There is a few ways for you to actually do this. One way is to link it to your PayPal account. So all you have to do is press on PayPal and follow the directions to confirm your account. Another way is the Fiverr revenue card. They actually give you a special card and you can spend the money itself. So this is another choice you actually have and you can actually do. So you can add and you can order this specific card if you actually want to actually do it. So I pressed on it and it sent me the instruction to my email. So all I have to do is confirm it if I do want to get my earnings into my Fiverr revenue card. If I don't like this and I want to have a direct deposit, you can actually direct deposit your earning right to your bank account, which is also a very cool way to do this. So you're getting paid as if you are having a job somewhere. In fact, this is your job. So why not just go and let them direct deposit your funds directly to your bank? Or, of course, the PayPal. It's really up to you which one of those three different methods you want to use to get paid from Fiverr.